In the summer of 1889, Tesla traveled to the 1889 Exposition Universelle in Paris and learned of Heinrich Hertz's 1886-88 experiments that proved the existence of electromagnetic radiation, including radio waves. Tesla found this new discovery refreshing and decided to explore it more fully. In repeating, and then expanding on, these experiments, Tesla tried powering a room core coil with a high-speed alternator he had been developing as part of an improved arc lighting system but found that the high-frequency current overheated the iron core and melted the insulation between the primary and secondary windings in the coil. To fix this problem, Tesla came up with his Tesla coil with an air gap instead of insulating material between the primary and secondary windings and an iron core that could be moved to different positions in or out of the coil. To make a mini Tesla tower, you will need 27N copper wire, battery, switch, 1mm electric wire, 5ml syringe, 2N2222A transmitter, battery cap, 22K resistance, base, soldering iron, etc. Connect the components as follow. First of all, remove the syringe's handle so only the transparent part remains. Then take the 27N copper wire and leave first 2 to 3 cm and start to coil around the syringe. It must first be uniform, then do any ways you want it. It must be around 200, just as shown in the picture. Now connect the battery to the battery cap and connect as shown in the following circuit.